How to download an email from Gmail with attachments. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be explaining on how to download an email from Gmail along with its attachments. So Gmail is an excellent email service that provides ample storage and many useful features. It allows you to save your emails to your computer or an external hard drive, enabling you to keep a local backup of your messages. So when you download an email from Gmail, any attachments included with that email will also be saved, so you can access them easily. So now let's go through the steps to download an email with its attachment. First of all, you have to open the Gmail and then find the email with the attachment that you want to download. Now click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Here you will see the option of download message, that is between the translate message and mark as unread option. Click on it. This will open a Save As dialog box and choose where you want to save the downloaded email and then click on Save. The email will be saved in the location you specified as an EML file, so this file can be opened with an email client on your computer such as Windows Mail, and any attachments will be accessible as well. So let me know your favorite email client in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.